Hello everyone! Today we will be unboxing the one-of-a-kind product that you never saw that before that I showed you onto my previous short video. And do you know what it is? It's the Numberblocks! So this is the product that I chose it. I bought it from Staples, not Walmart. And here you can see it's like math. Those are the cubes over there for the combination of these characters. And here are the Numberblocks characters. And you can see at the back cover, here's a description, and that's the heading. And this is what's including in this box. So I'm gonna tell you what it says. Includes 100 Numberblocks MathLink cubes, 59 faceplates, 54 stickers, 11 number links, 11 character cards, 15 double-sided write and wipe activity cards, 1 stand for 0, and supporting activity guide. Alright, let's open to see what's inside. Alright, I already unsealed the tape, so let's open it. Alright, so here we have the stickers for the faces, and we're missing a lot of them because we just placed them. And here we have is the supporting activity guide for MathLink cubes, Numberblocks 1 to 10, the activity set, and we have the MathLink cubes. Oh yeah, a lot of the pieces are missing because we just took them up and we're the first ones to make the Numberblocks characters right before that. But I don't know, where are they? So I'll show it to you later after I'm gonna show these products of what's inside in this box. Here we have is the ad. And it says, now available MathLink cubes, Numberblocks 11 to 20 activity set. Yeah, that's kind of expensive to buy this. And we have the faceplates, which you can put it on the circular shape of the MathLink cubes blocks. Yeah, I know a lot of them are missing because we just made by characters as scratch. Yeah, but not as scratch, as like the part from the show. And we have the activity cards, the character cards, and we also have the wipe and clean activity cards that are made from the episodes by footages. So do you know where are my Numberblocks characters that I made? Surprise! I just made the Numberblocks characters. So I'm gonna share to you the Numberblocks appearances, and also I'm gonna share some personalities about the characters of the Numberblocks. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for the order one by one, and I'm gonna show it to you in front of this center in my camera screen. Alright, so this is number 1. She is red, and you can see her face. She has one eye and one mouth, because whatever one eye, she is just only the number 1. Yeah, just 1. You see a number on her head, because whenever there is a number on the Numberblocks head, it's called a numberling. So that's why they can remember what number are they. Alright. And Here we have is number 2, and he has orange 2 blocks with 2 purple glasses, a pair of purple glasses, and a mouth. And he loves to become just in pair. Yeah, pair, set of 2 things. And you can see that's number 2 on top of his head. Yeah. And from the second episode, the very second episode of the Numberblocks show, you can see that number 1 and number 2 have friends. Yeah, best friends. Alright, let's go for number 3. She is yellow, and she has 3 red pointed ground and 3 juggling balls resembling as her buttons, and kind of similar as a snowman, because she is 3 and she loves to juggle with the balls. Juggle, juggle. And next, we're moving on to number 4. And yes, because number 4 is green, like my favorite color, and he is a square. Yeah, square has 4 sides and 4 corners, and those cubes, those all of the equal size of the cubes, based on whatever we can make, like how many sides of a regular square, it's 4. Just like the number 1. 1 is also square as well. Yeah. And, we have is the number 5. And she's made of 5 blue blocks with a dark blue eye on her right eye. And number 5 loves to sing. I guess her favorite song is like the high five. Yes. 5 fingers on her hand. On her one hand. High five. And speaking of high fives, who loves to play the dice? Yep. It's number 6, come in handy. And you know, she is indigo. You can see her real facial appearance. She has 1 dot on each of her 6 front face cube. Yeah, she likes to play dice from dots 1 to 6. Yeah. And 6 is a pair of 2 3s. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Yes. Yeah, and her dots are like blue. Yeah, blue. And we have is the lucky one. This lucky character is 7. And he has 7 colors of the rainbow. That's his appearance within using number blocks: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And you can see his violet face, and his hair is made out of a rainbow. Wow, you know he is lucky. Because from the episode number 7 himself, his appearance just violet. But now, number 7, amazingly and luckily, he has 7 colors of the rainbow that we all know. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Rainbows are so cool. And speaking of luck and rainbows, here we have is number 8, also known as Octoblock. Number 8 is pink, and he's a rectangle. Because just as you know, like squares, because it's doubled by number 4, because 2 squares make a rectangle. And yes, because Octoblock's eyes, you can see they're covered like in magenta, and those look resembling as eyelashes. Yeah, that's how it's like a masquerade mask for his eyes that pretends to be a superhero. Superhero! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And speaking of superheroes, the next number is 9. Yes! And he is also a square, just like 4 and 1. Number 9's appearance, he's made of 9 gray blocks, but 3 each on his rows that are different parts of the gray colors that are light, normal, and dark. At the bottom row, the gray blocks are light gray. In the middle row, the gray blocks are regular gray or normal gray. And on the top, the gray blocks are darker gray. You see, yeah, 3 hues of gray. Yeah, like a grayscale. Because just like I showed that from my other previous video, the part of the RGB. And do you know the last one? We have number 10. And she is white. Yeah, but I didn't made red borders right around her, like on her edge, but just only made in the episodes. Because I know I just made number 10 out of matte link cubes as her regular appearance. And you can see her 2 eyes that are marked with red stars. And yes, I can make her as a rocket ship. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, but we'll do that more in a bit. And actually, I guess that's not all. We still have one left that we hadn't met, which is number 0. She doesn't have a block, but she only has a mouth to talk. Yeah, and here in real life, doesn't need to become a part of a number block, but just only the stand. Just as you know that number 0 is gone or missing and has no anything. Yeah, so just number 0. Yeah. So here are the other things that we're gonna show it to you for next time. The Numberblocks characters card and the wipe and clean cards for the pictures which are made from the episodes. Alright, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and it's the same thing as giving a thumbs up. So we'll see you again next time. Bye.